Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install 7-Zip on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your browser, and on Google, just search for download 7-Zip and search for it. Then just go to their website. From here, just download the version suitable for you. Mine is x64-bit version, so I'm just gonna download the first one. If you have a 32-bit system, just download the second one. And then just wait for the download to be completed. And after it is completed, just click on it to open it. Click on yes. You can minimize your browser now. Then just choose a place where you want to install it and click on install. Then just give it some time. It will be installed. You can just click on close after it has been installed. Then if you just go to search and search for 7-Zip, and you'll find 7-Zip file manager over here. You can open it from here. And that's basically it. And that is how to download and install 7-Zip on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.